a to the power 12 plus a to the power 8 is equal to 80. We have to find the value for a, and a has only real solution. So a to the power 12 plus a to the power 8, and we write minus 80 is equal to 0. We sent 80 to the left hand side. Now a to the power 12 we can write a to the power 4, then whole to the power 3 plus a to the power 8 as a to the power 4 plus whole to the power 2 minus 80 is equal to 0, because there is an identity. If a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Now let's consider a to the power 4 as x. Then we have x cube plus x square minus 80 is equal to 0, or x cube plus x square minus 80 we can write it as minus 64 minus 16 is equal to 0. Now if we rearrange it, we can write x cube minus 64 plus x square minus 16 is equal to 0. We did not change the question, just rearranged it. Now x cube minus 64 we can write it as minus 4 raised to the power 3, then plus x square minus 16 as 4 raised to the power 2 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, and this algebraic expression we can expand as a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square. So we can expand it as x minus 4, then x square plus 4x plus 4 square, then plus, this is in the form of a square minus b square, differences of square, we can expand it as a plus b times a minus b. So we can write it as x minus 4 times x plus 4 is equal to 0, or now x minus 4 and x minus 4 is common, so we write x minus 4 as the common factor, then x square plus 4x plus 16, 4 square is 16, plus x plus 4, the remaining factors, is equal to 0, or x minus 4 then times x square plus 5x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now when a times b is equal to 0, it means either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So here we have two solutions for x. When x minus 4 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4. When x square plus 5x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now here, to find the roots for x, we can use the discriminant method, where x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under square root upon 2a. Now here a is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. Sorry, here we have x. B here is the coefficient of x, that is 5, and c here is 20. Before we go ahead and find the roots using this formula, we can also check whether we have a real solution or not, any real root or not, by using this method, where if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then we have a real solution, else we do not have any real solution. So b here is 5, so 5 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 20. 5 square is 25, 20 times 4 is 80. This is less than 0, so no real solution. So value solution for x is equal to 4. Now we considered x is equal to a to the power 4. So a to the power 4 is equal to 4. We raise both the side to the power of 1 upon 4. This 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So a is equal to 4 raised to the power of 1 upon 4, or 4th root of 4. Now let's check this solution. So a is 4 raised to the power 1 upon 4, then whole raised to the power 12, plus 4 raised to the power 1 upon 4, whole raised to the power 8. is equal to 80. Whether it is equal to 80 or not, we have to check. So 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 2 is 8. So it is 4 raised to the power 3 plus 4 raised to the power 2. 4 raised to the power 3 is 64 plus 16. It is equal to 80. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, our answer is verified. 4 we can also write it as 2 raised to the power 2, then whole raised to the power 4, and 2 times 2 is 4. So, square root of 2 is also the answer. Let's check with square root of 2. Square root of 2 means it is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So, 2 raised to the power of 1 upon 2 times 12 plus 2 raised to the power 1 upon 2 times 8. 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 6 is 64 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. Again, LHS is equal to RHS. So, we can write answer is square root of 2. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.